All right, now we're going to look at our handout on significant digits. So here's the rules that we went over in the notes. We talked about rounding. So now on the back, it has examples. The first thing you're going to do is, it doesn't matter if it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, you're going to use your calculator and you're going to perform the mathematical function. How you round is different. So for addition and subtraction, you're going to look at the least precise value. What that means is, think about measurement. Does it measure to a hundredth? Does it measure to a thousandth? You're going to round your final answer to the least precise instrument. Okay? For multiplication and division, it's different. What you're going to do is you're actually going to physically count the number of significant figures, and then what you're going to do is you are going to round to the least number of significant figures. So let's look at our homework. I'm going to do two of them, one of each as an example. So let's look at number 13. So for number 13, my numbers are 6.201 plus 7.4. Now remember, these are centimeters, plus 0.68 plus 12.0. I'm not going to count the number of significant figures. This one goes 3 past the decimal point. This one goes 1 past the decimal point. This one goes 2 past the decimal point, and this goes 1 past the decimal point. So if you think about it as far as measurement, this measures to what? A tenth of a centimeter, a hundredth of a centimeter, a tenth of a centimeter, and a thousandth. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to add them up. So I'm going to say 6.201 plus 7.4 plus 0.68 plus 12 equals, so it comes out to be on my calculator 26.281. But now what I'm going to do is I am going to round to the least precise value. So the least precise is what? 1 past the decimal point. So I'm going to round my final answer to 26.3 centimeters. And that's my final answer. This was number 13 from the homework. So the addition and subtraction are both done that way. All right, now multiplication and division is different. So let me do number 17. So number 17, it says multiply 3.2145 kilometers times 4.23 kilometers. So I'm going to take my calculator, and I'm going to say 3.2145 times 4.23. Now on my calculator, I get this huge, huge, huge number. I mean, the calculator says 3.597335. You know, it has like this huge number. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to count the number of significant figures in each number. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to round my answer to the least number of significant figures, which would be 3. 1, 2, 3. So my final answer is going to be 13.6. Whatever mathematical function I do to the numbers, I do the same thing to the unit. So because I'm multiplying these, I'm going to multiply my unit. A kilometer times a kilometer is a kilometer squared, which is a unit of area. And that's it.